Hasbro! Hasbro makes toys. What's new, Hasbro?
Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head with their own cars and trailers. That's what's new. See, Mr. Potato Head has a car and boat trailer. And there's a car and shopping trailer for his wife, Mrs. Potato Head. It's such fun to do and so easy. Like this. Take any fruit or vegetable. Just stick in eyes, then ears, and then the mouth. You can make the funniest looking people in the whole world. Potato Head people look different every time you make them. Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head with cars and trailers come in $1 and $2 sizes.
What else is new, Hasbro?
A vanity case with toy cosmetics and beautiful accessories. And real-looking doctor and nurse kits.
Hasbro makes great toys. It's fun to play with Hasbro.
Maris is ready. Here's the pitch. It's going, it's in there. A new Major League record, 61 home runs by Roger Maris.
Hi, kids. That sure was a day for me. Part of the thrill of baseball. The kind of real excitement I've put into my great new game by Pressman, Action Baseball.
The score is 2-2. You're up at bat. The pitcher's set, and he can pitch. Fastball, slow ball, curve. Here it comes. A hot single to right. And the next one, a strike. The pitch, a smashing double to left field. Another run batted in. All the skill and excitement of World Series when you play Roger Maris Action Baseball by Pressman. Now you can hit home runs just like Roger Maris.
Yes, kids. There's nothing like the thrill of baseball. And now it's yours.
Get Roger Maris Action Baseball today, $2.98. Oh boy, a Pressman toy.
My name's Snubby Gun. This is my beat. My game, I'm a private eye. Call me anytime. After school, that is. When I play private eye, I come fully equipped with Mattel Snub Nose 38, snap draw shoulder holster, and the fastest wheels in town. When you play private eye, you have to be fast. Fast on your feet, and fast on the draw. Ready for action on a moment's notice. Practice target shooting whenever you can. Load up with Greenie Stickum caps and Mattel shooting shells. If you want to play private eye, get this Mattel gun and holster set. It comes complete with wallet, badge, and ID card. Get extra Greenie Stickum caps, too. You can tell it's Mattel. It's swell.
Boys, you'll be proud to wear this rig. It's Mattel's Fast Draw Durahide holster, just like the one the gunfighters wore. A Mattel Durahide holster takes any punishment you can dish out, and that look of hand tooling is just like a fine Western saddle. Great with Mattel's shooting shell fanner pistols, the only guns with real fanning action. Shoots safe shooting shells and fires Greenie Stickum caps. This is the gunfighter set with 2 fanner pistols. The rugged Durahide holster comes in black or brown, single or double. Get 'em.
Where?
Wherever toys are sold. You can tell it's Mattel. It's swell.
A crime has been committed. These detectives have been assigned to the case. Their job, round up the suspects. And that's what you try to do when you play Mattel's new lie detector game. The exciting new game of scientific crime detection. It could be any one of 24 suspects. Question each one. Is he telling the truth? The lie detector says no. Now check the racketeer.
Well, I think it was a guy with a big jaw.
Now you have one clue. Next, try the school teacher.
I saw him. I'm sure he had a mustache.
True again. Now you know the criminal had a big jaw and a mustache. By eliminating the other suspects, you're ready to make an arrest. And there he is, the playboy. With skill and the lie detector, you become chief of detectives. Mattel's lie detector game is real fun. Get it wherever toys are sold. Remember, you can tell it's Mattel. It's swell.
G.I. Joe, G.I. Joe, fighting man from head to toe, on the land, on the sea, in the air.
G.I. Joe attacks! Boom, boom! G.I. Joe takes the hill! Bam, bam! Horrific battle!
Terrific equipment to have a battle with. When you get G.I. Joe and the authentic G.I. Joe equipment, you'll have the greatest realism, the greatest fun you ever had in playing soldier. Box after box of authentic uniforms and equipment, so you can change your G.I. Joe soldier into a camouflage Marine ready for battle, a Navy frogman with complete scuba suit and inflatable life raft, an Air Force pilot with high-altitude helmet and air vest. Get G.I. Joe and get G.I. Joe equipment, so you can set up exciting battle action whenever you want. Remember, only G.I. Joe is G.I. Joe.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the center ring we proudly present an exciting and unusual collection of wild animals. Each and every one of them bald, monkeys, tigers, bears, all with no fur.
Wait, let's look again. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. But watch this. Take him from his cage, set him on a circus platform, and within 3 days, Fuzzy Wuzzy will grow his own fur. And then use Fuzzy Wuzzy to wash, because Fuzzy Wuzzy is made of wonderful, mild soap. And the cleaner you get, the quicker you'll find the toy surprise that's inside of each Fuzzy Wuzzy.
So look for Fuzzy Wuzzy circus animals in their cages. Fuzzy Wuzzy bath soap. It grows its own fur.
Hey, what you doing? Hunting bears. In the house? Well, sure. Bears are everywhere. Look, there goes one now. Hey, you bucked him. Nothing to it.
That's right. You can go bear hunting, too, with the exciting bear hunt game. Bop a Bear by Marks. You get this over-under big game gun, 6 rubber-tipped darts, and this big battery-powered grizzly bear. Batteries extra, of course. When you bop the bear in the right place, he growls and goes the other way. You can play Bop a Bear indoors or out.
Let me take a shot at him. Careful, he's pretty ferocious. Gee, this is terrific.
You bet it is. Ready, aim, Bop a Bear. The exciting bear hunt game. Get bargain-priced Bop a Bear by Marks.
This is the new 1951 Nash Air Flight, built the same way as the modern airliner and streamlined train. Specially designed for greater strength, greater safety, and the smoothest, quietest drive you ever enjoyed, thanks to exclusive Nash Air Flight construction. In a Nash Air Flight, you'll see the world through an undivided sky-wide windshield and enjoy the comfort of Nash's exclusive weather-eye conditioned air system. There's legroom galore and hydromatic drive if you desire it. A spill-proof storage drawer instead of a cluttered glove compartment. And there's economy that's amazing in a car so big and luxurious. So before you decide, take an air flight ride in the world's most modern car, the 1951 Nash Air Flight.
Philco, famous for quality the world over, presents a sensational new value. A huge 97-square-inch television picture. And get this, friends, it's less than the price you paid last year for a 52-square-inch picture. Let me show you. This is what you got last year. Here's what you get in the 1950 Philco, and for less money. How's that for value? A bigger picture and a better picture. And here's the clincher. The Philco electronic built-in aerial system, inside and out of sight. It's the revolutionary invention that you get in every 1950 Philco receiver. You can throw those old-fashioned aerials in the ash can. Remember, Philco and only Philco gives you the electronic built-in aerial system. Enjoy it now in a wide choice of Philco television receivers. Ask your dealer for a free home demonstration.
Just out and just wonderful. the 1957 Chevrolet. What's new about the glamour design new Chevy? Take a look. A completely new, completely beautiful instrument panel with instruments designed for safer, easier reading. A choice of 4 great transmissions topped by exclusive new Turbo Glide, an automatic transmission with triple turbines. Fuel injection, the greatest engine advance since overhead valves. Chevrolet's Ramjet fuel injection V8s deliver up to 283 horsepower. And daring new design that'll catch your eye, capture your imagination. Put together these great new features and many more, and you have the car that goes them all one better, the 57 Chevrolet. Every one of Chevy's 20 new models, from this sparkling Bel Air hardtop to this young in-spirit convertible, is fleet of line, fresh in design, new in performance. See and drive the new Chevy at your Chevrolet dealers now. We're sure you'll agree it's #1 in the USA, the 57 Chevrolet.
I adore the Wild West Cheerios, kid.
It's not so wild, Sue. It's terrifying.
Me, Chief Standing Bull, going to scalp from you.
Oh, yeah, Featherbrain?
But kids, you forgot yours. Cheerios. Eat. Shaped like an O, like an O, like an O, with slam, bang, blast off, power, pop, and go.
I've got go, go, go power. Standing Bull, be seated. Big G, little O, go with the goodness of Cheerio.
Kid, you forgot something.
A Big G General Mills cereal?
Back to the reservation.
I know a place that's peaceful and quiet. A place where animals play. It's called the forest, but every year we start forest fires. A careless match or cigarette and poof, fire. So the next time you're in the forest, be extra careful, okay?
If you knew it was me, would you have listened?
Hi, Mike.
Hi, is Judy home?
She has a cold, and the doctor wants her to stay in bed.
Oh, does it hurt and have a temperature?
No. I gave her aspirin, but she still can't come out.
What kind of aspirin?
Bayer Children's aspirin.
That's what my mother gives me.
Now, that's because she loves you. And when you feel better, she feels better, too.
Mothers are like that. Yeah, they are.
When you give new orange-flavored Bayer aspirin for children, you and your child will both feel better fast. Each tablet is the exact dosage doctors recommend for children. Its new orange flavor tastes good, so youngsters take it readily. The grip-tight bottle cap helps keep them from taking it on their own. Last but not least, it gives you such confidence to know you're giving the best. Always rely on new orange-flavored Bayer aspirin for children. You and your child will both feel better fast.